Now I got a spreadsheet here, my import data to.xlsx, and we're going to use that to create our first table. So let me move that. Okay. Now I just connected to this, and I see I got tables here. I could expand that. I'm going to right click on tables, and I'm going to choose import data. Local file's good. I'll click browse, and I already copied that folder, so you change the folder where it's at. Choose your spreadsheet and click open. And of course your spreadsheet has to be in a certain pattern, like my titles are across the top, and so you see this is what it assumes. This is assuming it has a header, so that's why this header is marked. You can probably leave all the rest of this as is. Click next. Now when it gets over here, you can leave this as insert, but we're going to give it a table name. Now you want to give it a name we can find later on. So start all of your tables with like my. And what is this? This is sales, unit cost, total, units. Let's say sales. My underscore sales. Click next. We'll talk about why I put my there. Now these right here. You can pick which columns you want, and by default it's assuming I want all of them, which is fine. I click next. Now here you can tell the type, like order date. You see I can come here and I can choose you know, whatever item here. Let me go back. Oh, it is 43106. Okay. I'm not sure what format that is. Doesn't look like a date to me, but number's fine. Region is varchar 2. That's like a string. Rep is varchar 2. We'll talk more about that as time goes on. You can change any of these if you want. So you can come here and choose what data type it should be. We'll take all as default for now. Click next. This gives you a summary. And we'll click finish. And import data, task successful, so click OK. Now the thing about it is Oracle comes with tons of tables to begin with. And when you create a table, it's kind of hard to find it. Well, if you right click the tables here, you can clear the filter. Right click tables and apply a filter. And name is like, and you put my and then percent, and click OK, and you'll only see the one table. That's why you should have some kind of convention on what tables start with so you can easily find them. Now you see here, we'll talk about a lot of this as time goes on, but this shows your table that was input. And if I come here to data, you see here's your data. Now up here you can do a file new, and you can choose database files and choose SQL file and click OK, and you can give it a name if you want. Now here I want to pull all the records from my table I just created. And I don't know if I can make that bigger. I'll make that bigger for next time. I'm doing a select star from my underscore sales. And then I'll click this run right here. It'll ask me which I want to connect to, and Oracle Connect is OK. And that pulls our data. And once you got it to this point, that shows you that you've installed all your software correctly, the Oracle. You've set up the SQL developer, you imported the spreadsheet and created a table, and you queried against the table.